We are pleased to show you the 2026 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, compass. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. Elevate your status and command attention.